Warm welcome to Impact Foundation's YouTube channel. My name is Tabita Devarapalli and I am an English language trainer. As a child, I used to love listening to the stories that my grandmother told. A good story encourages its readers and listeners to wait for what's coming next. We never thought of English vocabulary, we never thought of the grammar rules, the sentence structures, etc. But today, as English language learners, we are extremely worried when we see something coming forward in English. If not all of us, at least a few of us are worried about learning this language. So today I have a simple method in which we are going to talk about English language, learning English through a simple story that I compiled, The Day. The Day is a short story that I've written on my own, and this is about our very own PV Sindhu. It is important to learn language in context, in scenario that we are familiar with. So here we go. This weekend, PV Sindhu is going to contend in a badminton tournament. She's going to put her shoulder to the wheel all week because she wants to win the tournament. The winner will receive 5 lakh rupees. Sindhu hopes she will get the first place. Sindhu's mother is going to travel to the tournament with Sindhu and she will watch her compete. She will sit in the stands and cheer for Sindhu. She's going to be proud of Sindhu even if Sindhu does not win first place. Sindhu's father is not going to hit the road to the tournament. He will watch the tournament on television. He will cheer for her at home. He's going to be proud of Sindhu whether she wins or loses. After all, Sindhu is their pride and joy. If you are enjoying what we're doing right now, ensure to check the description box for our WhatsApp links. We have a spoken English course coming up in the near future. Anyway, so we have a short story and let's just learn the vocabulary that is just as simple and a piece of cake, right? This weekend. So that's the first thing I want you to understand. This weekend, PV Sindhu is going to contend in a badminton tournament. So most of us might be using a word that like today morning, yesterday night. But remember, my friends, this morning, last night, that's the best catch. This weekend, PV Sindhu is going to contend. It's nothing but compete. In a competition, if she's going against somebody who she's playing, that is called contend. She's going to contend in a badminton tournament. She is going to put her shoulder to the wheel. Now, going to, she's not going anywhere, not traveling somewhere, but a future reference. She's going to do it. She's going to play that. I'm going to have my dinner. I'm going to take a medicine. This is all a future action. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 10 minutes, anything in the future. But we are referring to a particular thing that is going to happen. She's going to put her shoulder to the wheel. Now, cut your shoulder and put it near the wheels of your vehicle, right? No. Put one's shoulder to the wheel is nothing but work hard, work extremely hard to win something, to achieve something. She's going to work hard all week, the entire week. For weeks and months, people work hard to win something, right? Because she wants to win the tournament. Now, why is wants coming? It is a future reference. So you might be thinking she wanting to. Anybody thought so? But no, she wants to. It's a desire. She, he, it. You have wants. She wants, he wants, it wants. Why? Because it is a reference in general. PV Sindhu always wants to win. 2020, she wanted to win. 2023, she wants to win. 2030 also, she wants to win. That is her nature. It's a generic statement. She always wants to win. She wants to win. He loves her. He writes a letter. She drives her car. All of this is S. He, she, it, S, S, S. Right? The winner will receive 5 lakh rupees. Now look at that. 5 lakhs rupees? No. 5 lakh rupees. Sindhu hopes she will get the first place. Sindhu hopes. He hopes. She hopes. Right? She will get the first prize because it is a generic statement. She always hopes for a positive reaction, positive thing. That's why she hopes that she will get the first prize. Second paragraph. Sindhu's mother is going to travel to the tournament with Sindhu and she will watch her compete. Sindhu's mother is going to travel to the tournament. And this is also again going to a future reference of a travel. She will watch her compete. Now there are two sentences. Sindhu's mother is going to travel, sentence one. She will watch the competition, sentence two. And both these sentences are combined with and. Sindhu's mother is going to travel and she's going to watch the competition. She will sit in the stands and cheer for Sindhu. Sit in the stands. What is this? Two contrasting words. Sit is to sit down, stand is to stand up, right? But sit in the stands is nothing but sit in an auditorium and watch an event. Previously, earlier days, we never had seats, right? We used to have staired steps, and then we used to stand, and people just watch the sport or a event or a concert, whatever. Here we are sitting. So sit in the stands is nothing but be seated in the auditorium and watch the event, watch the musical concert, watch the sport, anything. And cheer for Sindhu. Now, I want to teach two special words, cheer for and cheer up. They're absolutely different from each other. They are called phrasal verbs. Cheer for, cheer up. Cheer up is used to encourage somebody who is disappointed. Cheer up, girl. It's okay. You can get good marks next time. Cheer up. Cheer for is clap for. Okay. Sindhu, Sindhu. Yes, yes. That is cheer for. So mother is going to sit in the stands and cheer for. Okay. She is going to be proud of Sindhu even if Sindhu does not win first place. Sindhu does not. So Sindhu is a lady. She does not. Even today, I feel very sad when students say, he do not, she do not. It's an absolutely common thing, but we need to correct that. She does not. He does not. But I, we, you, they do not. She does not did not, okay? Does not. It can be contracted together and we can say Sindhu doesn't win. If Sindhu doesn't win, even then it is okay. Mother is happy. The third paragraph. Sindhu's father is not going to hit the road to the tournament. Hit the road, take a hammer, cut, hit the road and break the road. No. Hit the road is nothing but to take a journey, to travel, to start traveling. Sindhu's father is not going to travel to the tournament with Sindhu. He's going to watch the tournament on television, not in television. I am watching NDTV news in the TV. No, on TV, on television. He will cheer for Sindhu at home. He will be seated on his couch, relax, and watch Sindhu and cheer for Sindhu right from his house, right? He is going to be proud of Sindhu whether she wins or loses. Weather, WEATHER, is the climatic weather, the climatic condition we're talking about. The weather is hot, the weather is cold, but this is weather, right? These are both homo, they have the same pronunciation. HETHER is an option. Whether you win or lose, it's okay. Whether she wins or loses, it's okay. Again, we see this. He wins, she wins. S, okay? Right. Whether she wins or loses, it's okay. After all, Sindhu is their pride and joy. Pride and joy is nothing but after all is after 1, 2, 3, all the reasons. Sindhu is their pride. Sindhu, they are always proud of Sindhu no matter what, whatever is the situation. So that is the difference between WEATHER and WHETHER. Anyway, that's the simple story that we have the day. And if you loved such kind of content, this is exactly how we teach spoken English. For 21 days, we're starting a new batch this week. The description box contains both the links, the Telugu spoken English group and the Hindi spoken English group. You can feel free to join the links and get all the information clarified. And you can also find such a similar kind of content even on my channel, Literary Express. So I'm waiting to get connected with you all in the spoken English groups of Impact Foundation. See you there. Register yourselves soon. Thank you.